Hi guys, this is Pratap here, and now we are going to talk about firewall security levels. Okay, so it's very important that you need to know security levels on the Cisco ASA firewall. So why it's required like security level? So it's very important that we need to know. So if you see here, ASA, if you see here ASA security level, that we are talking about the security levels, right? These only define like when we are initiating traffic. Suppose you imagine this is your ASA, right? This is your ASA, and the traffic is going outside or traffic is going inside. Suppose let me write here, this is inside and this side is outside, right? So when traffic is going inside or outside, okay, so this level, like security level, will be defining whether you have rights to get in or not. We will do that practical. Before that, we need to know this is very important. So by default, security level, if you see in Cisco, so this is security level 0 and security level 100. So security level 0, that means it's you have that uh, highest security. This one you will be having highest security, okay, and security levels 100 means highest security, security level 0 means lowest security. Now that if you want to see here, if the traffic is going from inside to outside, like from here traffic, let me draw a diagram. Let's say imagine this is your uh, imagine this is your ASA, okay, this is your ASA, and this is your switch, and this side is your internet. Now when traffic will be there, okay, so when traffic will be there in this side and this side, so this is your switch, so this side is inside, so by default from switch to internet it will be there, but when internet to ASA you want to send the traffic, so that time what you have to do, you have to make the ACL, you need to perform the ACL if you are uh, planning to send traffic from inside okay, so you need to send if you are planning for sending traffic, just a minute, so then you have to from internet, I mean this side is outside, right, the internet side, this is your outside, and where security level is 0. So from outside to inside when you are sending traffic, and that time you will be you need to make the, you need to put the ACL, otherwise they, you no need to put any security level, so that is the rules here. But when you will be putting that you are sending any traffic from inside to outside, so there will be no uh, requirement of that. By default you can do it. So that we will be doing the lab also, how to perform and all. So now if you go here and check, by default in this diagram, if you see in the diagram, by default this particular network which is connected to inside traffic, so that is inside traffic. So when you are sending something, internet, connected to internet, that is outside, the traffic is going outside. So that time you will be required ACL. So let's say if you having internet that side, let's say from here you are connected with the internet. Imagine you have internet here, right? So if you have the internet here and you want to connect, in that case, you have to have the write the ACL here in order to send the traffic. Fine. So that is how it works. So from inside, I mean, if you write here in this, from inside, from inside, from inside you can send traffic outside, but from outside you can't send inside unless you made the policy. Slowly we'll learn that. So now we will be just focus on this, the lab. So now I hope you have understood about the inside, outside, all those information. So there is a security level 0, that is your for outside network, I mean public network, and 100 it's for your private network. Okay guys, so now you will be executing the commands and all those things. So just have a look. Okay, so the first we will be checking like interface information. So we are going to check now. I will be writing here and then I will be performing, so you can remember very well. So now what we are going to perform, uh, like right now you are connected with the interface which is interface uh, 0 by 0. Okay, I want to know the information about this particular interface. So how we'll be doing it? So you'll be going here, show, you'll be going here, show interface G0 by 0. You see all the interface information about this particular interface is going to show you up. You can check that IP address. You can check that whether it is duplex, hub duplex, etc. Now you can check how many traffic has been sent, packet has been sent. You can see it here, it's a 55. Now if you are pinging, if you are ping here, now you go and check this interface, it will be increased. See, earlier it was 55. Can you see here? It was 55. Once we have ping, so 1 2 3 4 5, so immediately the packet has been 60. Got it guys? So this is how what it works. Now if you want to see that IP addresses, you want to see the IP addresses. So how we are going to check? So you want to see the, you like to see the IP address. Okay, so how we are going to check that? You go here and put that command. What command you will be putting? Show IP add. So now you can see here. Now if you see this is the interface 0 by 0 which is inside IP address and all. Got it? Okay. So next we'll be checking that we are talking about the security level, right? Now we are discussing. So you want to check that security level. You want to see the security level. So how we are going to do that? So you will be going here, you'll be going here and you can give that command. Okay, show name if. You see there is a security level is 0. Okay, so now you can I have made it inside security level 0. That means there is no permission. Okay, I mean there is no security. So actually it should be sorry, it should be 100. Inside always should be 100 because that is the highest security. Okay, now if you want to see that interface details, so how we'll be checking interface or details, how you will see the interface details. So how we are going to see that? So that is very easy. You will be going here and put the command. You'll be going here and put the command show IP interface brief. Sorry, show interface IP brief. So it's a just not like your normal route switch. It's the reverse. So show, then you have to put the interface, then IP, and then brief. So you can see that details here. All right. Now, if you want to save the configuration, if you like to save the configuration, if you want to save the config, so how we are going to do that? Copy, you'll be running here. Copy run, copy running config, and then startup config. If you give this command, immediately the configuration is going to store. Now if you want to check that your state table, so and then so that is going to your state table is going to show you up. Now you want to check that memory information and then give the command show memory. Okay, so you can show you here that memory information is going to show you up. It's a show memory. Alright guys, now if you want to check that you want to restrict with the password, so this is your password. Now how to set the password, you just have a look, enable, and then you will be giving that password, and let's say I'm giving Pratap. You see, now if you come out, if you come out now if you type enter, so if you don't give that, it's not going to work. So you have to give the password PRATAP. Okay, so see, yeah, you came here, otherwise it's not going to work. So you have seen it, how to set that password. So the command is enable password. So after that you can set anything, which password you like. So this is the command for that. Okay, now if you want to check that running config, show run, now include PASS. So you can see that this is the password that we have set. Got it guys? Now you want to check that history, what all configuration we have made so far. Show history. Okay, so these are the command we have executed so far. Got it? So first what all we have done, we have learned how to create zone, I mean interface, and all those. Now what you will do, we can connect one more here device here. Let's say router. We'll be adding one router here, and we can connect this one as a outside, and we can make it, uh, you know, we can connect that. So far, what all we have learned about the interfaces like inside, outside, and all this. Then we have learned about how to set the password. Then we have learned how to save the configuration and all those. So you guys, you can practice that. So next video we will be making more in details and more new things will be come up there. Alright, thank you.